Warm up the hi-fi. Today's recipes come to us from record covers. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Here at the Lounge, we love vintage cookbooks, but we're also big fans of records. Well, today's vintage recipes come to us from the backs of two different album covers. First up, a lovely gin and tonic. From Gordon's Gin, Gordon's Vodka presents Smooth Sounds. To make it, all you do is add 1.5 ounces of gin to a highball glass with ice. Squeeze a wedge of lime into your glass and then fill with tonic. Refreshing. A gin and tonic is perfect on a hot summer day, and so is pineapple refrigerator dessert, which comes to us from the back of Music for Gracious Living, Foursome. To make this stupidly easy confection, all you do is soften 1.5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin in 2 tablespoons of cold water, then dissolve over hot water. Stir in 1 drained 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, then add 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. Spread on graham crackers and layer crackers to create a loaf. Frost your loaf with another cup of whipped cream and refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours. Sprinkle with crystallized ginger and slice diagonally to serve. Take it from Music for Gracious Living, Foursome. It's perfect for ladies' luncheons, an evening of bridge, and poker nights. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. We'll be back on Monday with Cousin Glendora, and don't forget to join us Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.